And the comments that were coming on Jenga's side were, wow, what a delicious food. Who made that food for you? That is so nice. I was an MC here then, so I looked at the page. What were the comments on my side? Wewe tulikuchagua ukakule. Unakula hapo na vile barabara zimeharibika. That is how society perceives the politicians. But I want to tell you, some of us are a product of this one. We believe in our values. The values of being obedient. The values of putting yourself ahead of the others, of the others. Thinking of the others. I worked at Nims College before I became a politician. I was a lecturer, part-time lecturer. Then I was given an opportunity to be the brand manager of the institution. Some of those colors and everything you see, that's what we did. And every Sunday, we used to go to churches, Kiambu, Kirinyaga, Embu, everywhere, because she used to market and mentor the young people as well as marketing the institution. We used to be together. Bishop, to show that Lizzie was not flashy, because you could not tell how much she had in the accounts. And I'm telling you, she was not simple. Ilikuwa na alikuwa nayo. And I know so many of us politicians, we used to go to her when kimeumana for soft loans. And she would tell you, write down, I, Karungo Wathang'wa, have requested a soft loan of this much. And she would give us and keep the notes. Sasa mimi nataka kuomba familia, si kulipa yote. Ukiona hapo karatasi zangu ya unisamehe tu. But to show that she was not flashy, we used to go to churches, as I said, and she had an old vehicle, KAU hire. You know, all of you do know. And we used to tell her, you are the principal of Nims College, the biggest private institution. Why don't you drive Prado like your friends? And she could desist. It took us so many months to have her change her mind and got herself a Prado. And I'm saying those three men who did that work, one of them is Jenga over there. Let us stand again. We will mention you again and again. And the other is myself, and that person is Moro. Moro is the husband to Joki Moro. Yes, the husband to Joki Moro. We used to work together, three of us. And he's not here, he's in China, he could have been here. And he's my PA at the Senator's office. So you can see, we were taught to embrace those who believe in you. Mine was to say, we will remember Lizzie Wanyweke as a mentor. We'll remember Lizzie Wanyweke as a selfless person who could see potential to those, to you or in you, and probably nobody else could see that. Bishop, when I started my campaigns, because I was a lecturer at Nims College, I asked her to give me a bus so that I could go around in Gewa ward. And I was given a bus, but I did not have people to put in there. Your campaign ukizunguka na watu lazima watafutie lunch. So I used my students at Nims College. They were about 30 something. I was in TNA then. I didn't even have money for t-shirts. So I told all my students, kesho kila mtu akuje na t-shirt ya red. So I launched my campaign with t-shirt imeandikwa Colgate, ingine Kasuku. And the motivation that we got, we were able to believe in ourselves. I've lost a friend, I've lost a mentor, and I've lost someone who believed in young people. I'm saying I, because I believed in this one weekend. Thank you very much, and God bless you and the family of this one weekend. I will still be around in the sense that, and this is a call I want to call everybody who was a friend of Lizzie Wanyweke. She has a foundation, Lizzie Wanyweke Foundation. After we are done with everything, we need to sit down and we bring light into that Lizz Ni Foundation. Those small loans that we are not able to pay, let's be contributing something in there so that other children and other people can benefit from her even when she's gone. Rest well. Amen.
Let me take the opportunity on behalf of our Lizz Ni family to welcome you. And thank you so much for having for time to come with us on this memorandum. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, family, friends, and esteemed guests, we gather here today to celebrate the remarkable life of Lizz Ni, a woman whose impact on the lives of many has left an indelible mark. Born on the 28th November 1951 in Garipini Town, Murang'a County, she was the daughter of the late Peterson Kariuki and Naguo Wangeshi. Lizz was a sixth child in a family of 10 siblings, surrounded by the love and support of her brothers and sisters, John Gadage, the late Julius Wangari, the late Christian Njoki, Jones Njoroge, Silvio Amboi, David Mugambi, Samuel Maingi, Rachel Wagikoyo, and Joseph Kiragu. Her education. Lizz's journey began at Garipini Primary School, where she laid the foundation for a long time of learning. Her academic prowess led her to Kuhoya Girls High School and later to Nakuru High School, shaping her into a woman of knowledge and resilience. Her pursuit of higher education continued at Kenyatta College, now Kenyatta University, where she studied education, honing her skills and embracing the opportunities that will shape her future. Her family. She was the wife of the late Josephat Mburu Wanyoike, mother to Anthony Mburu, Susan Wanyoike, Stella Wanjiro and Lawrence Njoroge, Eric Kariuki and Melody Wanyoike, mother-in-law to Anne Wanjiro, David Mburu, and Peter Gitau. A doting grandmother to Ayana Wanjiro, Sheena Mudori, Ethan Mburu, Jonathan Bide, Sidney Mburu, Shaza Kerich, Dave Mburu, Shamir Mudoni, Lizz Mudoni, Kariuki, Ian, Philip Devon, and Lizz Mudoni. Her career. Her career started as a teacher at the State Health Girls High School, teaching business studies. She later transferred to Temple College as a teacher in secretary duties. The beginning of her first opportunity, built on her dedication and commitment, she quickly rose from the position of lecturer to deputy principal and finally co-owner of Temple College. Lizz's entrepreneurial spirit and commitment to education led her to establish Needs Technical College, a testament to her vision for empowering others through knowledge and skills. The institution stands as a living legacy, impacting countless lives by providing quality education and fostering a culture of excellence. In addition, Lizz's achievements went on. The Emery Hotel stands as a symbol of her commitment to the hospitality and service industry. The establishment of this hotel was her vision that went beyond business. It was about creating spaces where people could thrive, learn, and experience the best of life. A true philanthropist at heart, Lizz Ni founded the Lizz Ni Foundation, embodying her belief in giving back to the community. Through this foundation, she touches the lives of many, offering opportunities for growth, development, and a chance for a brighter future. Lizz's dedication to education and nurturing young parents was evidenced by the establishment of the Lizz Ni Preparatory and Senior School, a testament to her unwavering commitment to shaping the minds of the younger generation and providing them with a strong foundation for success, both in school and at home. Promotion to glory. 3 years ago, Lizz faced health challenges that tested her strength and resilience. Undeterred, she sought treatment in Kenya, India, and USA, displaying incredible courage throughout her journey. On January 14, 2024, Lizz Ni took her well-deserved rest, leaving behind a legacy that will continue to inspire generations to come. As we reflect on Lizz's life, let us remember her as a woman of vision, compassion, and determination. Let us carry forward the torch she lit, ensuring that her legacy lives on in the hearts of those she touched. May her soul rest in eternal peace. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Let's celebrate.